Okay, now let's look at question number 5 of the pure paper. So the limit question, right? So you have to show this limit is equal to that, right? Let's see how to do this. So, right. So if you substitute, you will see direct substitution will fail because you will get 0 over 0. So let's simplify this a little bit. This 16 I can write as what? 8 times 2 sine x. Then cube root means 1/3 power. Let me write like that. Then 8 cube root is 2, no? So I can take that out. So we are left with 2 minus 2. 8 cube root is 2, no? Inside you have 2 sine x, whole thing cube root or 1/3 power sine 6x. Right. So let's take that 2 out. Limit x goes to pi over 6. 1 minus 2 sine x 1/3 over sine 6x. Right. Right. This looks like this special limit that you learn. It looks like we can use that. Limit x goes to a x to the n minus a to the n over x minus a is what? Na n minus 1. Right. This one looks sort of like that because I can write 1 as 1 raised to 1/3. Right. So then how to get it into that form? We have to use some substitutions and some additional terms. Right. We can do it like this. If 2 sine x is what? If 2 sine x is u, then I have this form. No? So then I have to have 1 minus 2 sine x down to get that form. So I have to divide this by what? Divide and multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same term. So I will do it like this. So I want to get this form. Once I have this form, I can use it. I will divide this by 1 minus 2 sine x. Then I have to cancel that. No? So I have to do this also. Multiply the numerator by that same term. And here sine 6x. Right. So now let me break this into two limits. 2 lim x goes to pi over 6. Let me rewrite it in this form. Reverse the order of terms. So minuses will cancel out. Right. Times limit x goes to pi over 6. 1 minus 2 sine x sine 6x. Right. Okay. Now first we'll do this part, this limit. So I have to convert it into this form. So I have to use a substitution for that. So what's the substitution? If I take 2 sine x as u, I can do that. Take 2 sine x as u. Then when x goes to pi over 6, what happens to u? U equals 2 sine pi over 6. Sine pi over 6 is half. So u goes to 1. So we will change the limit now. 2 times limit u goes to 1. What is up here now? U to the 1/3 minus 1 to the 1/3 over u minus 1 times limit x goes to pi over 6. Here we didn't change the second part. Second part we'll do later. Sine 6x, right? Now this part you can apply that special limit. So 2 times n is 1/3, a is 1, this, right? So times this one. So this part just turns into 1/3. So 2/3. Now we are left with this. Now for this part, we have to again use a substitution. We want to use the other special limit we learned, sin x over x, that one. So here we want to use this one. Limit as x approaches 0, sin x over x is 1. We have to use that one here, right? So to do that, I have to use this pi over 6 part, right? So let me write it like this. 2/3 limit x approaches pi over 6. Take -1 out. No, take -2 out. Let's take, wait. Let's, yes, we'll take, yes, -2 out. So then this becomes -4. What you have, sin x minus half sin 6x. So I want to use this pi over 6 part. So sin pi over 6 is what? Half, no? So instead of half, in the next line, I will write it as sin x minus sin pi over 6 over sin 6x, right? So next you have to use what? You have to combine the numerator terms into a single term. Then we can do this thing. We'll have two sine terms in the numerator and the denominator, then we can apply that limit. So to do that, what do? We have to use sum to product formula. So sum to product formula, sine A minus sine B is what? 2 into cos A plus B over 2 sine A minus B over 2. So we have to use that formula. So what will happen? -4 over 3. Limit x goes to pi over 6. This becomes 2 cos x plus pi over 6 over 2 inside, and sine x minus pi over 6 over 2 over sine 6x, right? Then take the 2 out, so -8 over 3 outside. Limit x goes to pi over 6. Then again I will break it into two limits. Cos x plus pi over 6 over 2 times limit x goes to pi over 6, this one, sine x minus pi over 6 over 2 sine 6x, right? So for this part, now apply the limit. What happens? If you put x equals pi over 6, you get cos pi over 6 plus pi over 6 over 2. So cos pi over 6, now what is cos pi over 6? Root 3 over 2. So substitute that for that part. Right, then we can write what? -8 over 3 times root 3 over 2 limit x goes to pi over 6 sine x minus pi over 6 over 2 over sine 6x. Right. Now we can apply that special limit to the last part. To do that, better to do another substitution. Let's do y equals what? X minus pi over 6. So then when x equals pi over 6, y goes to where? Y goes to 0. So let's convert this. Let's simplify this first, the constants. So you get minus 4 root 3 over 3 limit y goes to 0 sine y over 2 x is what? X is y plus pi over 6, then 6x is 6y plus pi. So sine pi plus 6y. Right, then we'll apply this sine pi plus theta is what? Minus sine theta. That is from trigonometry identity. So substitute that, and this becomes what? Limit y goes to 0 sine y over 2 minus sine 6y. Put the minus sign outside and you will get 4 root 3 over 3 limit y goes to 0. Now sine y over 2 over y over 2 and sine 6y over 6y. So 6 here, half there. Now apply the limit and you get the answer. What you get? 4 root 3 over 3 times half divided by 6. So 4 root 3 over 3 times 1 over 12, 3. So that is root 3 over 9. But that is not what we want. What do we want? 3 root 3. Right. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. Then you get what we want. 1 over 3 root 3. There's the limit. Right. This is a long question. Right. This can be done easily if they let you use L'Hopital's rule, but that is not taught in A levels. No? So I don't think you will get marks if you use L'Hopital's rule. So try to stick to the two special limits. Right. Next we'll do question number 6.